In my kits, I include an alcohol pad, a cuticle pusher, a file, and a buffer. First, you want to soak your hands in warm soapy water for about 30 seconds. If you've done that, you want to get your cuticle pusher and push it against your nail plate. This is going to remove the dead skin that is on the top of your nail plate. Also, you have a proximal nail fold and a cuticle. Please do not mix the two up. The cuticle is a clear, translucent layer of dead skin that's on top of the nail. The proximal nail fold is a barrier between your skin and the nail plate, which is to keep moisture and bacteria out. Please do not mistake the two. Please don't push back your proximal nail fold. It can lead to an infection, and we don't want that to happen. And none of these steps should be painful. They should not be painful at all. Please be gentle while you're using the file, the buffer, and the cuticle pusher. Now you're going to take the file and file your nails down. And now you're going to buff your nails. I recommend pulling in a downward position or away from your nail bed. I don't recommend going in circular motions or going side to side. It's just my personal recommendation. You can do whatever you want. It's your nails, but I recommend pulling away from your nail bed while using it. And now you're going to take an alcohol pad and wipe all that dust off from filing and buffing your nails. And now you're ready to apply your press-ons.